Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you another amazing recipe using tofu. Tofu is an excellent protein replacement, but it can be bland. So when you want to get your tofu tasting flavorful and delicious, you need to always season and season again. Tofu can be very versatile. We can use it to make breakfast dishes. We can use it for lunch dishes. We can use it for snacks when you're making wraps and burritos. You can use it for dinner. Tofu is so versatile. Today, we're going to be making stir fry tofu. It's an excellent side dish to go along with your lunch or dinner. So now, let's go over the ingredients. We have 10 ounces of extra firm tofu. We have 1 medium-sized carrot chopped. 2 medium-sized broccoli crowns chopped. We have half of a white onion chopped finely and half of a green sweet pepper and 2 cloves of garlic, which are also chopped. We have 2 tablespoons of Bajan seasoning. If you don't know how to make Bajan seasoning, you need to click on the egg cards above or the description box below. This elevates all of your dishes. You need to know how to make it. 2 tablespoons of Bajan seasoning. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of curry. We have chive, which I chopped finely. Oil for frying, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. And some additional seasoning, which we will use to marinate. Now we're going to cut our tofu. Tofu can be really soft, so we need to be gentle with it. I'm going to cut it into some cubes because we're going to stir fry it. Once we have it cubed, not too small and not too large, we're going to marinate it. We're going to add some seasoning to help get rid of that bland taste. So to a large bowl, we're going to add our tofu cubes. Then we are going to season. So we're going to add some curry. We're going to add some paprika. And we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning. And we'll allow it to marinate for about an hour. Ideally, you can do it overnight if you have your menu planned. But if you don't, you can take about an hour, allow it to marinate so that seasoning can get deep into it. We're going to add a bit of our Bajan seasoning. This always elevates the taste of any dish. And now we'll go on to start our stir fry while our tofu marinates. First step is to saute our carrots and broccoli. So to a medium-sized saucepan, we're going to add enough oil. We're going to use olive oil or soybean oil to cover the bottom of your pan. And once it starts to get a little hot, we're going to add our carrots and we're going to add our broccoli because they are thicker and they take longer to cook. So we're going to add them first and allow them to cook. Our sauteed carrots and broccoli are done. You see how bright green they are, the broccoli. Now we're going to add our onions, chives, and sweet pepper and allow them to saute along with the onions for another minute. Then we're going to add our tofu. I'm going to add a teeny bit more oil just to the bottom of our pan. Be sure to use a quality non-stick pan to make it easier. Now we're going to add our tofu. It smells so good. Once we've added the tofu, we're going to season, add the additional Bajan seasoning. We're going to add our curry, paprika, and all-purpose seasoning. Get it all in there. And finally, salt and pepper. And we're going to stir fry everything together. Stir-fried tofu is done. Now it's time to taste. It looks great. This is a perfect side dish to go with any meal for lunch or for dinner. Gonna make sure I get some of the carrots, some of the broccoli, and the star of our dish, the tofu. That's this. The perfect bite. You get the softness from the tofu, and you get a harsh texture from the carrot and the broccoli. Cooked perfectly, tastes delicious. Stir-fry tofu. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this tofu recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other tofu recipes, and once you watch them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.